I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble accessing your Gmail account, follow these steps to regain entry. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes connectivity issues can prevent you from accessing your account. Step 2. Clear browser cache. If you're using a web browser, clearing the cache can resolve access issues. Go to your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with Gmail. Disable any extensions you suspect might be causing the problem, especially ad blockers. Step 4. Try incognito mode. Open an incognito window in your browser. This mode runs without extensions and can help you determine if the problem lies with your browser settings. Step 5. Reset your password. If you still can't access your account, consider resetting your password. Go to the Gmail sign-in page and click on Forgot Password to start the process. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the access denied issue on your Gmail account. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance.